If you are using Samsung, then try this with me. Anointing plus IT. Do you know that Samsung has made it possible to send messages and call somebody automatically when you encounter an emergency situation? Come to settings. With your Samsung phone, this is for Samsung. Search for SOS message. SOS. You see SOS message. Click on it. When you click on SOS message, turn it on and click on it again. Now, my SOS message will help you, the Samsung user, to call someone automatically or send messages to the selected contact when you encounter an emergency. This is going to help you. Try it. So I have added somebody. Whenever I encounter emergency, all I have to do is to press the power button 3 times. If you like, select 4 times, but I prefer 3 times. Whenever I press my power button 3 times, my Samsung phone is automatically going to call this person for me. Apart from that, my Samsung phone is going to send SMS to these people that I am in emergency and I need help. As you can see, Samsung phone is very interesting. So try this. Again, it will send the messages with GPS or map. And it can take pictures and record audios 5 seconds and send it to them. This is going to help you when you encounter an emergency situation. If you have found this video useful, then share it to your friends and your family and subscribe to my channel.